Good morning, everyone. This is Jen from Jen's Weight Loss Den. This morning I'm on my way up to Dr. Singal's office. I have a pre-surgery appointment for my tummy tuck, which is going to be done at Liberty Hospital on the 19th, which is coming up next Friday. So I'm on my way up there now. I'm hoping they'll let me film while I'm there, but we'll see. Well, I'm here at Dr. Singal's office, and I have a few minutes before I go in. I have lots of questions this morning. I've been watching a lot of different things on YouTube that talks about must-haves, things that you should do prior to surgery, and in order to be prepared after surgery. So I'm supposed to get my pre-surgical packet this morning, and I got my pre-surgical kit. There was quite a bit of stuff in it, and part of what I got was, if you look at the blue, those are pads that you would use to line your bed or your chair so that you don't have any discharge that comes out over that and ruins the bedding or whatever. And then the scar zone, which is a ointment that you'll put on your incision that helps reduce the scarring, which I'm hoping the scarring won't be too bad, but it's always worse at the beginning than it is at the end. And this here is the pre-surgery kit, basically. And you've got your laxative, the arnica. My doctor actually is very into the natural remedies, and with the arnica, it's good for bruising, swelling, stiffness, and pain. So I'm anxious to see how that's going to go. And then I've got the probiotic. Now these I'm going to be starting before the actual surgery itself. And then the dial soap, which they want me to shower before, of course, the night before, and then the morning of surgery. And then these here, I've got 2 ice packs I'll be icing after surgery. And then when I go in and do the dressing changes, the doctor's going to be showing me how to handle all that. But he gave me plenty of pads. And then cotton swabs. And then gauze sponges. And then basically a Benadryl. And then skin ointment. Now, one thing I thought that was interesting is that the day of surgery, I'll be taking one medication here that's supposed to help with the pain, and then also be taking Tylenol before surgery as well. I'm expected to be in surgery for roughly 3 hours for the tummy tuck, and then we'll be coming home with pain medication and muscle relaxers. Well, today I was up at Walmart and I bought some things for after my surgery. And some of the things that I bought were the front closure bras with the zipper. And then on the inside, let's see if I can get this down. It actually has a snap on both sides that will help keep everything in place. Because after the surgery, I'm not going to want anything really rough or hard like the underwire bras. So I picked these up. I bought 4 of them. And I can wear those afterwards too, so that'll be okay. And then I bought 4 of the camisoles, but they're shorter. They're not real long. But with summer coming just around the corner and it's starting to warm up, I went ahead and bought 4 of these. So these I can wear around the house and still be comfortable and not wearing pajamas the entire time. Oh. And then I bought some shirts. And they did tell me though that when I have the surgery I will need to have a shirt that buttons up in the front. So I bought this. I bought this actually a size larger than what I wear. So this is a 16-18 and it buttons all the way down and then it ties in the front. So when I go in and have my surgery I'll wear that to the hospital and then untie it and then just have the button up shirt while I'm there to wear home. And then I bought some tank tops. These I can wear all summer. So I bought 4 of these. I bought 2 solids. And then on this one it's got cute little birds on it. And then this one here also has birds, but it's got a flower decor on it. And then the orange, or the peach I should say. Now when I was up at the doctor's office, they did say that I have to eat not necessarily high fiber, but they did tell me that I'm not going to want to eat anything like soup because of the sodium content. So I picked up some different types of cereal, cream of wheat, oatmeal, and grits. So grits are okay. I haven't had a lot of them, but they're okay. And then I bought something to keep me occupied, which are the word search, and then some sugar-free candies. And then I also will not be able to shower for the first few days after surgery, so I bought some items to keep me fresh. So I've got the Summer's Eve wipes, and then I bought some dry shampoo. I've never used dry shampoo before, but I've heard good things about it, so we'll see how that goes. And then new underpants and some gauze. I don't know that I necessarily needed that. I'll show you when I get to the doctor's kit what they gave. He included a lot of different things in there, but if we don't use them for that, then you can always have extras around the house. And then this is a neck pillow. And I've heard a lot of people say that I'll probably be sleeping in the recliner a lot. So that'll help keep me comfortable. And then I bought a couple pillows. And this I can use either way, either in the bedroom or if I sit on the couch I can use that and prop myself up and watch TV. The doctor did say that I'm not going to want to lay flat after the surgery because it'll pull. And I'm not going to want to lean forward a lot because then all the bruising and the swelling is going to come forward instead of back. He came out and he asked me what I had questions on. I have asked that he weigh the skin that's taken off because I'm very curious to find out how much weight is lost when they do the skin removal as far as just the tummy tuck. The rest I can find out later, but I did tell him I have no desire to see it, but I do want to know how much they're taking off in weight. And also I asked him about the pain because I've heard and watched a lot of videos as far as how painful it is when you do your weight loss surgery, or actually the skin removal surgery I should say. He did tell me that they're going to be doing some shots on the inside where they're going to go ahead and I'll be numb for like the first 3 days of surgery, following surgery. So I'm very relieved about that. And he said, hopefully, even he may be able to get away with not having me come home with drains. So he said that's not a definite. He'll know more once he gets in there and gets started and he goes to close me up. So fingers crossed that drains are not going to be required. So if you like, please subscribe and join me on my journey. So thanks so much. Bye.